Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the smart knowledge. So today we are going to define what is mathematics. Let's define. So first of all, the word mathematics is derived from mathma. Mathma is a Greek word which is mean knowledge. So definition of mathematics is that the study of facts and operation is called mathematics. Students, here facts mean is numbers, variables, graphs and shapes. So the word operation means there are four operations in mathematics: addition, subtraction, division, multiplications. Father of mathematics. So father of mathematics is Archimedes. Thank you for watching.